Want to provide your guests with awesome wedding favours? Want to make them as personal as possible without paying an arm and a leg? Then watch for the next few minutes and I'll show you how. Hello, welcome to the Hub of Knowledge. I'm Georgie McGilly from Georgie Beth Photography and this is my channel. Couples end up spending way too much money and effort on their favours for their guests to not even take them home, or if they do take them home they just end up getting chucked away when they do. So these are a few ideas for wedding favours that your guests will actually use. I recommend that you don't put your names on them, as most guests don't want to be taking something home or having something in their home with other people's names on it. If your grandma wants a keepsake, you can always put a picture of the day in a frame for her. Instead, personalise your favours with their names on them. Then they can also double up as place cards as well on your tables. Bonus! So here's how you can make some super cute name tags that are really easy to make and very durable. So, what you'll need is a clean surface, a rolling pin, a cookie cutter of your choice, which I'm going to choose a heart. I have several different sizes. I recommend that you do them quite small. Today I'm using a heart. An alphabet fondant stamp kit, which is where you have the little stamps for each letter and you can arrange whatever name. I think I paid $2.99 for this on eBay, so they don't cost very much. Some sort of twine or ribbon or anything to tie onto your favours once it's dry, and then some white air drying clay. This is a kilo. I bought this for $3.99 on eBay. It will probably make between 60 and 70 tags. So depending on how many guests you've got coming to your wedding, obviously depends on how many packs you'll need to get. But if you've got a smallish wedding, you'd only need one pack. If you've got 100 or so, I'd recommend you buy 2. I also have a bit of baking paper just on the side so that when I've done each tag, I can just lay them on the baking paper and it's not going to get stuck to the table or anything like that. So these little tags can be added to pretty much anything, and here are a few of my ideas of some affordable but really useful wedding favours. So my first idea is snacks. So everybody loves something edible, so you could go for something like a trail mix or some sweets or some chocolates, and you could either pop them in a little cellophane bag, or if you'd like to spend a bit more, you could put them in a jar. My second idea is tea or coffee. So most people drink hot drinks, and if they don't, someone in their household probably does. So you could have coffee beans or fresh coffee, or you could have some tea bags in a jar. My next idea along the hot drinks theme is a hot chocolate. This is a really cute idea for an autumn or a winter wedding, you could have a bit of hot chocolate powder and then some marshmallows in the top. You could even add some edible glitter to make it look a bit sparkly and pretty. These look really, really cute in a jar, but again, you could just add this to a cellophane bag, so it depends on how much money you want to spend. You could even get your friends and family to collect jars for you if you weren't too worried about them all being the same shape and size. My next idea is candles. So candles are something that most people have in their homes. They smell lovely, they look really pretty, and people would be happy to just pop it on their mantelpiece or on their windowsill. So you can buy mini candles pretty much anywhere. You could go to a cheaper shop like Home Bargains and get little mini ones for 59p each, or you could go local and spend a little bit more and find somebody who makes their own candles, which would be a really cute touch. And my last and final idea is a plant or a succulent. So you can buy mini succulents in bulk. This might be slightly more pricey than the other things that I've suggested, but it's still very affordable. And you can buy them in bulk and again, tie your little tags around them. If they come in a little plastic pot rather than a ceramic pot or something, you could put them inside a jar, or you could wrap them with some ribbon or some burlap that ties in with your wedding theme. And again, that would be something that really adds to your tablescape. It would make your tables look really pretty, and there'll be lovely gifts that your guests would be happy to take home and have on their windowsill or mantelpiece. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed it. Pop in the comments below which flavour you like the most, and don't forget to share with me on Instagram or Facebook any photos of the tags that you've made. I will see you guys soon, and I'm always cheering you on.